It's flight time with Uda!
Hi there, this is Flight Time with Uda. That's me, an unmanned teaching assistant. Today, I'm going to talk about the operational rules of line of sight. According to the FAA, as part of 107's operating rules, you must always keep the drone within the line of sight of either the remote pilot in command or a visual observer. This includes drones that have GPS capability as well. Pre-programmed flights. They're allowed as long as they adhere to the line of sight rule. Using a drone's camera, which is also called first-person view or FPV, however, is not allowed under the line of sight requirement. That's because if a drone's camera can only see a portion of the sky as it flies in three-dimensional space, problems can occur outside the view of the camera. What's happening behind the drone, to the sides of the drone. Also, you can't use visual aids like binoculars to see your drone either. Remember, the operator is also known as the remote pilot in command, and that's you, and you are solely responsible for the flight of the aircraft. So if line of sight's an issue with your mission, use one or more visual observers to maximize your flight safety. Visit droneeducationservices.com for more, and be sure to register your drone at faadronezone.faa.gov. Fly safe, fly often, and have fun.